a field trip last Saturday. Who or what? We. Action or is went. The children sang the birthday song. Who or what? Children. Action or is sang. Let us look at the correct use of some verbs. The correct use of some verbs can be confusing. Here are some of them. May and can. May is used for permission. Can is used for ability. You may not bring your football to the party. You can carry all 3 packages by yourself. Sit and set. Sit is used for putting a body in a sitting position. Set is used for placing something in another location. The teacher told us to sit down and be quiet. Please set the dishes on the table. Lie and lay. Lie means to recline. Lay means to place. I saw the cat lie down on her pillow. I lay the book on the table. Fill in the correct word in each blank. May or can. Dash I stay overnight at Aunt May's. Lie or lay. The tired old dog wants to dash down by the fire. Sit or set. Please dash that vase down very carefully. May. Lie. Set. Lie or lay. Dash the new clothes out on the bed. Can or may. You dash walk farther than you think. Sit or set. Did you dash next to Mrs. Watson? lay, can, sit, the verb to be. The verb to be joins the subject of the sentence with words that describe it. The to be verb has many forms. Be, am, is, are, was, were. Example sentences: be calm always. I am not a tailor. She is a teacher. We are playing after school. The storm was wild and windy. There were many cups on the table. The different forms can be seen in the conjugation below. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. Look at the sentences and identify the to be verbs in them. You will see that they indicate what is. All my neighbors are friendly and polite. Are. The Main Street school team was the best in the area. Was. The sandwiches and the cookies were tasty. Were. Were you at the birthday party on Saturday? Were.